guys, back with your Hassan. Today is all about the new Tesla Model Y. Let's make a quick run through of all the Tesla upgrades in this car. We will begin with the trunk foot sensor. The trunk foot sensor is our popular choice. You just sweep your foot and then after you finish using, you just close with the button. For safety, using foot sensor, we only let the trunk to open. After using the trunk, then just use the original Tesla button to close. Now let's use the screen to open the front. Close the front using the screen. Sometimes Tesla owners would like to use voice. Open the front. But using voice command to close the front does not work on Tesla. If you like to use voice to open and close, you will need to download another app to do that. The interior emergency button now is also a button to close. That added function is very convenient to use. Every time after you finish using your frunk, if you're still nearby, you can use the button to close. The front foot sensor is another convenient way to close the frunk. After the foot sensors has been activated, the foot sensors will be able to use. But after a while, the foot sensors will be in sleep mode, so it does need to reactivate again. Our swivel screen is very comforting to vision. Especially, we recommend that the screen tilted to the driver's side when driving. And if the passenger need to use the screen, it can be tilted to the passenger side. After the installation of the swivel screen, when the screen is tilted toward to the driver's side, the driver will be able to see every corner of the screen. If the sun happened to aim at the screen, now the driver or the passenger has the ability to change the degree, so it can be seen better. Currently viewing from the passenger side. When the driver is back, just tilt the screen to the driver's side. Swivel screen installation is very quick. Usually take 15 minutes to complete installation. When the screen is tilted to the passenger side, made it more easy for the passenger to navigate or watch a movie. Alright, that's all the Tesla upgrades that has been done to this car. Let's learn even more about the functions. Now they're back to retrieve their car.
Press it?
Yeah, just press. Okay, now you can use the foot sensor just right here. Yeah, you have to aim on accuracy. So.
Oh, okay. So you have to do this kind of slowly.
Yeah, you can also do one sweep. Yeah.
And that's the highest.
Yeah, that's the highest it can go. Yeah, and also have this very safe function. So if you're like anywhere here or lower, it can also go back up. Yeah, you can. You can just put your hand in air like this. Yep.
Nice. Nice.
And you can just press back to close.
That's so remarkable. That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have to press it down.
You can also try your app too. Just go to control.
This one.
Control also works.
Wow. Can I close it from
Yes.
here too? Makes our life easier now. And then I can also press this to close.
Yeah, close that This function you can only use open to open.
Okay. Open front.
Takes a couple seconds though.
And then I can. So no, nothing like.
Yeah.
this hard.
So swivel the screen, see how you feel.
Yeah, I like that one. It's hard.
Mm-hmm.
Right. It's not too bad. I was thinking it's gonna be like.
It's not gonna come loose.
No, it will not. Because back then, you do stuff here and you put your foot here by accident. It's like
True.
right here.
That's true. That's the safety feature.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, close and try a couple more times.
Hi. Are you guys
Chinese.
Chinese? Okay.
I'm half Chinese.
Yeah, she is.
My mom
Yeah.
is from Macau.
Oh.
Yeah.
And your dad Filipino.
Filipino.
So only the back trunk, I think you cannot close with the foot.
Yeah, that's what she said. Because she might
Because when you-
accidentally open,
Right. Accident.
sway your leg and then hit you in the back.
Yeah.
Or your head.
Yeah. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to Yahasan for more upcoming videos. Like this video if you think it's helpful. Leave a comment on which function you would use the most. If you need installation service, we are located in the Bay Area at Fremont, California. Visit our website at www.yahasan.us or text to 408-883-1999. For more other information, please look at the description. We're not kidding. 4 installation took about 2 hours in this car. We would expect to have all these installation to complete within 3 hours. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Share this to your Tesla family and friends. We'll be improving more and more Teslas, and maybe yours too.